guys, welcome back to our channel. By the way, I'm Judge Matthew F. De Leon and I will be explaining the components list and their purpose. Components list. We have the Arduino Uno, buzzer, jumper cable breadboard, and temperature sensor. For the Arduino Uno, we have a microcontroller development board based on the ATmega328P. It has a programmable digital and analog pins, PWM support, and a USB interface for programming. It can process input from sensors and control outputs like LEDs and buzzers. Its purpose in alarm with temperature sensor is to run the program that reads the LM35 temperature sensor and decides when to activate the buzzer and LEDs, making it the brain of the alarm system. Buzzer, a small sound device that produces an audible alarm when powered. An active buzzer generates sound with a simple high and low signal, while a passive buzzer requires the Arduino to send tones. Its purpose is to produce the alarm sound when the temperature passes the threshold set in the program, warning the users through the sound. Jumper cable an insulated wire with metal pins on both ends, designed for connecting the Arduino to components through the breadboard without soldering. Its purpose is to provide an electrical connections between the Arduino, LM35 sensor, LEDs, and buzzer so signals and power flow properly in the circuit. Next, we have the breadboard, a reusable prototyping. Next, we have the breadboard, a reusable prototyping platform with a grid of holes and internal conductive strips, used for connecting components without soldering. Its purpose is to hold the LM35 LEDs, buzzer, and jumper wires in place, making it easy to build and modify the alarm circuit. Temperature sensor, a precision analog temperature sensor that outputs a voltage directly proportional to temperature in Celsius, 10 MV per Celsius. It connects to one of the Arduino's analog input pins. Its purpose is to measure the surrounding temperature and provides a signal to the Arduino. When the temperature exceeds the programmed limit, which is 28 Celsius, it activates the alarm. And that is all for my report. Thank you for watching our components list.
Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we will be making project 7, which is alarm, and we will demonstrate how to make it, and let's get started.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I am Zancilla Espardos, and I will now be explaining Act 7 of Arduino from VoltWire Group. So now, let's get started. So we have here a set of few pins. But the only thing we have to think, uh, So we have here a set of pins, but we only ever need to take a look at these three pins. Now, the first pin is number 2. Is set. Now, the first pin we have is the IR sensor. The second pin we have the temperature pin, which outputs the connected to analog pin 0. Fuck, wait. First, we have here the IR sensor. Next up, we have the temperature pin. Next up, we finally have the buzzer pin. So now, let's head straight to the setup. So we just have to set these up as usual, but this time we have serial begin 9600. Because it's 9600, as you can see, if you open this, oh no, never mind, it doesn't show. But there are a few channels for 9600. The others are at least 400, 800, etc. Now, let's head up to the loop. Now, we have here the integer IR value. Now, we have here the digital read, which is will output the IR sensor pin. Now, here is our actual code that will work upon the Arduino, and we have a slight delay. Next, if the temperature is noted to be less, or if the temperature is noted to be greater than 28, it will light up. Oh, well, that's for the other function. Uh, but it will light up as usual. I forgot to tell you that the buzzer is within this function, but the other LEDs that's not related is also within this. There should be, yeah, there it is. So the buzzer will stop after a certain period, and then there comes a delay after checking for the next temperature over and over again until it inputs another temperature that is above 28 or equal to 28. Now that is all. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you in the next video.
Yeah. The deck is 31 Celsius. The threshold yan is 28.
And that's how you make it. And goodbye. See you in the next video.